Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LENOVO Tab M7, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean your connector, because using metal objects you can damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. You have micro USB connector here, and micro USB is very damageable connector, okay? So firstly, insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.